This night superhero isn't a bird, it's a bat. Are you ready to discover the world's most unexpected superhero? This is gonna blow your mind. No cape, just wings. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. With wings like hands, they fold and reach like fingered flight. Plus a radar system called echolocation. They zoom through the night, munching on thousands of pesky insects. Forget vampires. Bats are the real guardians, saving crops, keeping nature in balance. Next time you spot a flutter in the night sky, remember, that's a mammal with superpowers. Like for more night heroes,